ChargePoint, a leading provider of network charging solutions for electric vehicles, EVs, has opened 5 ultra-fast charging sites across upstate New York with support from the New York State Energy Research and Development Authority, NYSERDA. The sites in Cortland, Waterloo, Lake Placid, Niagara Falls, and Ripley can be found, used, and paid for through ChargePoint's mobile app. NYSERDA's Clean Transportation Program helps build critical EV charging infrastructure across New York State while reducing capital investment costs needed to deploy public charging sites. Chegg, an online learning platform, has donated $50,000 to Stevens Institute of Technology's iSTEM and Launchpad programs as part of their Chegg.org Impact Fund. This will provide funding for student-led startups, covering essential materials, supplies, and technology to accelerate their ventures. The donation also includes a matching gift component, with up to $5,000 allocated to 10 student startups in the iSTEM and Launchpad programs. This contribution aims to expand access to STEM careers for students from historically marginalized backgrounds and empower them to shape the future. Clean Energy Technologies has signed an MOU with Quimers Canada Inc., resulting in a $500,000 initial order for 2 of Cety's clean cycle units to aid Chimera's monobore geothermal technology development. The partnership will see the integration of Cety's magnetic-bearing heat-to-power generator into Chimera's projects on a trial basis, with support from Cety. The companies plan to explore future opportunities for joint geothermal and heat-to-power solution developments. Coinbase has once again begun operations in India after registering with the Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, India's financial regulatory authority. This allows Coinbase to legally offer cryptocurrency trading services in the country. With India rapidly growing into an on-chain development hub, Coinbase plans to launch initial retail services later this year and continue its international expansion by offering additional investment and products in the future. Earlier this year, Coinbase also obtained virtual asset service provider registration from Argentina's National Securities Commission, allowing them to operate legally in the country. Coinbase is America's largest crypto exchange and announced the temporary suspension next month of 3 coins, Floki, Turbo, and GigaChad in New York State. The company is reviewing cryptocurrencies on the Coinbase exchange to verify compliance with listing standards and decided to halt trading temporarily for these 3 cryptocurrencies based on recent reviews. Starting April 14, 2025, the suspension will be implemented. Users responded to Coinbase's announcement with skepticism and surprise. Dollar General's stock rose despite mixed earnings as the company set guidance for 2025 that exceeded Wall Street's targets. The company posted EPS of 87 cents on $10.3 billion in sales, while revenue for the full year came in at $40.61 billion, up nearly 5% from last year. However, the retailer faces challenges due to potential worsening consumer sentiment and increasing competition from discount giants like Walmart. For more on Dollar General and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.